Visitors to India have marveled at luxurious destinations in the world.
The first Europeans to visit India a few centuries back were struck by the lifestyle of kings and princes called Maharajas, who lived in vast palaces. The oldest among them in Jaipur, Rajasthan, is the Raj Vilas Palace, built in 1723, rich in heritage, luxurious to live in.
Raj Palace is unique because it has a living soul of the 17th century when the palace was first built, and a beating heart of the 21st century.
It has a mammoth gateway with complex geometric designs, and in ancient times they were meant to bamboozle visitors. The central courtyard is called the Charbagh as it is cut into 4 plots. According to Vastu Shastra, which are ancient Indian texts on architecture, the courtyard is also the most powerful point in the palace. The Charbagh fills in suites like the Swarn Mahal, the Palace of Dreams, with spiritual energy. This suite has double high ceilings suspending exquisite crystal chandeliers.
It's like I've been catapulted back into history. Well, I think it's got this sort of family orientation. You know, there's a sense of family here.
Many of the corridors in the palace have a clandestine design. They were deliberately planned so to protect the royal family from assassination plots. The adjoining suite has the royal throne laden with gold, rubies and diamonds. The studded throne symbolizes the sense of power the Maharajas felt over their subjects. The windows with stone inlays and the walls with stucco work reflect a strong Persian influence. On the other hand, most of the china and cut glass found here belong to the British times and have been looked after as heritage items passing through generations of users. Rare artifacts, trophies, memorabilia adorn the different corners of this room. The palace still stocks old handmade weapons used to train princes in warfare. But most of all, the health corner is a great favorite with the visitors. Built bathhouses with hot water and steam and nature cure work wonders on tired bodies. The Raj Vilas Palace is a living museum. It is a palace where the 16th generation of descendants live, a palace they share with their visitors. This is Sharda Kaushik, Punjab Today, reporting for CNN World Report.